While other popular 3D software like 3ds Max and SketchUp have built-in features for rendering multiple scenes, Blender surprisingly lacks this functionality entirely, which has always left me feeling quite confused. But this add-on completely fixes that shortcoming. Its interface is incredibly intuitive and clean. It adds convenient quick access buttons, and the render buttons blend seamlessly with Blender's native ones. You can customize the menu's location, easily switching it between a context menu or the end panel. And using it is simple. Just click the Save New Scene button to save your current scene, or hit the Add button right in the outliner. You can see the preview images in the panel of every scene you've created. Click on any preview image to switch back to that scene. You can also adjust the size of the preview image. Next, I'll walk you through which types of data get saved so you can configure them properly of this add-on. All your objects' basic transforms, location, rotation, and scale are automatically saved. You can click the Update button at any time to refresh your scene with the latest changes. The preview image will update immediately. Additionally, you can hide objects whenever needed. For example, if I want to copy this scene to create a clean new version without these decorations, I can simply use the Hide button to hide those three objects and then hit Update to save the new version. What is the difference between Hide and Hide Cam? The Hide Cam is a useful function. It can hide only the camera and doesn't affect other vision. If you want to hide the collection, you can directly hide it in the outliner and save or update. Sometimes objects want to change in multiple scenes after being saved. You can click the Batch Update to update the selected object, then select the scene that you want to apply to. Now the selected object has been updated in multiple scenes. If you want to update the hidden object across multiple scenes, you will notice that the end panel can't click the Batch Update button because it can't be selected. But we select and hide it in the outliner and click the Batch Update at the bottom, then select the scenes. You can also convert your cameras into separate scenes. Simply go to View, Camera, create render scene per camera, and it will create a new scene for every camera in your project. Additionally, you can easily change the background for different scenes as well. After preparing multiple worlds, simply select the world you want to use, click Update or Batch Update, then choose the scenes you wish to update, and the world has changed in multiple scenes. However, it's very important to enable Fake User for every world. This ensures Blender won't automatically delete unused worlds when you save your file. You can change the resolution of every scene. The method is the same as the world setting. Change the resolution and update or batch update. Once you've finished setting up all your scenes, it's time to choose the output location. RenderScenes uses the exact same output system as Blender itself. Simply go to the Output panel, set your preferred location and file format, and the add-on will automatically save all your rendered scenes according to these settings. If you need to export render passes, you can simply enable this option and select the specific passes you want. However, I don't need any extra passes for this demonstration. You can click the Render All Scenes button in the end panel, or use the Render Scenes button in the render panel. After rendering is complete, all your rendered images will automatically be converted into preview images. This makes it convenient to review your results and make any further adjustments.